Today, I'm going to show you how you can make money at any age, whether you're a teenager or a retiree. It doesn't matter. The internet is full of opportunities for everyone. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start making money online, no matter where you are in life. Let's get right into it. I will guide you through methods that work for different age groups, but don't worry. Most of them can be done by anyone, regardless of age. First, for those 13 and under. You might be thinking, how can a child make money online? The good news is it's easier than you think. You can make money online even without a formal bank account. All you need is a payment app like Venmo or Cash App, and maybe a little help from your parents to set it up. So how can a 13-year-old start making money online? One of the simplest ways is by reviewing child-friendly apps and games. Many developers are seeking feedback from young users to improve their products. You can sign up for testing platforms like Playtest Cloud to share your opinion. Try out a new game or app, play around with it, and give your feedback. This way, you can earn some extra cash while having fun. Another option is to sell digital art or designs on platforms like Redbubble or Etsy. If you enjoy drawing or creating, this is a fantastic opportunity. You can upload your artwork and Redbubble prints it on t-shirts, mugs, and more. Whenever someone buys your design, you earn a commission. There's no need to deal with shipping or other hassles. These creative gigs are in high demand, and being young with a fresh perspective gives you an advantage. Keep practicing, engage with other creators or users, and soon you could be making good money before you even turn 15. Now, for those aged 14 to 17, pay attention. You probably have a bit more freedom and might even have a part-time job at a local coffee shop or pizzeria. But if you want to have control over your schedule and make money online, I've got some amazing ideas for you. Building an online presence at this age is one of the best decisions you can make. I'm talking about platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or even starting a blog. Don't worry if you don't want to be on camera. You can still attract a large following by managing a themed page or creating content based on other creators. But what if you want something different? Here are some more ideas. Start an Etsy shop selling personalized items. You can create everything from jewelry to stickers, and Etsy makes selling easy. If you have a knack for crafting, painting, or digital designs, you can turn that into real money. The best part is that you can sell your creations worldwide. Another possibility is to become a transcriptionist. This job involves listening to audio and transcribing what's being said. It's a great option if you're fast at typing and have a good eye for detail. Companies like Rev are always looking for new transcriptionists. Here's a tip. If you deliver quality work to a client, word of mouth will do the rest. Before you know it, you'll have several clients on your list, and this side job could become a full-time gig. In this age group, you can also explore affiliate marketing. This means promoting products on social media and earning a commission whenever someone buys through your link. Companies like Amazon and ClickBank allow you to share affiliate links with friends and followers, and you can make money by recommending interesting products. Now, for those aged 18 to 25, this is the ideal time to start building something big. Once you turn 18, the doors to online payments swing wide open. You can use platforms like PayPal, Venmo, and other tools that were previously unavailable. So, what's the best way to make money at this age? Online tutoring is an excellent option. If you're good at math, science, or even English, you can teach others and get paid for it. Platforms like Weezant and Preply allow you to connect with students and offer your services. And the best part? You can set your own hours. Another fantastic way to earn money is by creating and selling digital courses. With platforms like Udemy and Teachable, you can develop a course on any topic you know well, such as programming, photography, or even how to make the perfect cup of coffee. Once your course is live, it can generate passive income as more people enroll. If you enjoy writing, self-publishing ebooks on Amazon through Kindle Direct Publishing is another option. Whether you want to write a novel, a practical guide, or a collection of short stories, you can publish your work digitally and receive payment every time someone buys your book. Keep publishing and stay consistent, and soon you'll have multiple income streams. Now, for those who are more experienced, age 26 and up, If you're in your 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, or older, you might wonder if you've missed your chance to make money online. But I've got good news. You still have time. In fact, you have an advantage. With a little more life experience, you've gained skills that you can turn into money on the internet. One way to make money online for people in this age group is through consulting or coaching. Think about it. You've been in the workforce for a while, and you could be an expert in marketing, fitness, finance, or even a specific hobby. Whatever you know, you can teach others and get paid for it. But there's more. You can also offer project management as a freelancer. Companies and startups are always looking for experienced professionals to help manage projects remotely. You can find these opportunities on sites like Upwork or Freelancer, where companies post job openings for project managers. If you enjoy writing, how about becoming a ghostwriter? You can write articles, books, or even speeches for others. They get the credit, but you get paid. This is an excellent way for experienced writers to earn good money without having to promote their own work. And don't forget about online real estate investing. That's right. Platforms like Fundrise allow you to invest in real estate projects with an affordable minimum. It's a way to make your money work for you without being physically involved in property management. Let's break down some specific methods that work for all ages. Podcast clips. Have you scrolled through TikTok or YouTube Shorts and seen short clips from podcasts? Someone is making money from this, and you can too. The process is simple. 1. Find a popular podcast like Joe Rogan Experience or any other you enjoy. 2. Use audio cutting software like Opus Clip to turn the podcast into shareable clips. 3. Create a TikTok or YouTube channel to share these clips. 4. Start posting consistently with relevant hashtags. With the right clips, you could go viral and make anywhere from $500 to $2,000 just from views. YouTube automation. This is one of the most interesting ways to make money online without having to show your face. All you need is an idea, some AI tools, and consistency. 1. Choose a niche you're interested in, like fashion or fitness. 2. Use ChatGPT to write your video script. 3. Use an AI voice generator to narrate it. 4. Combine the narration with visuals using AI tools like Pictory or Canva. Publish your video and watch your channel grow over time. Freelance copywriting. You don't need to be a professional writer to make money with words. With the help of AI, anyone can become a copywriter. Here's how. Find brands or influencers on Instagram and offer to create email campaigns or social media posts for them. Use ChatGPT to help you craft impactful messages and offer the first campaign for free. Once they see results, propose a monthly contract for your services. Social media management. Managing social media is a high-demand service right now. Companies, influencers, and brands are looking for someone to handle their content, postings, and interactions. To get started, find creators or businesses that need help with their Instagram or TikTok accounts. Point out something they could improve, like inconsistent content or missed opportunities. Offer to do the first job for free, and if they like your work, they might hire you to manage the account full-time. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has been around for years, but new platforms like ShareASale are making it even easier. You can create content around products you love and use affiliate links. It's a way to earn money just by recommending products you already use. And finally, for those ready to take a bigger leap, consider entrepreneurship. No matter what your passion or hobby is, you can turn it into a business. From creating a YouTube channel to starting your own online store, the internet offers limitless opportunities. All you need to do is take the first step. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel for more content on how to make money online. Share your own ideas and experiences in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.